You're listening to KTWR from the beautiful island of Guam. Our program is heard each Sunday at 1026 Coordinated Universal Time, broadcasting on 13800 kilohertz in the 22 meter band. Coming up next is DXer Diary. This is KTWR, Agana, Guam, where hope knows no barriers.
Welcome to the 8th episode of your favorite program, DX's Diary, a weekly show for the DXs across the world, produced and presented for Transworld Radio by Arun Kumar Narasimhan from Chennai in India. In this 5-minute program, we broadcast listeners' logs, band scans, news, and frequency change by radio stations across the world. The sunspot number this week is 0, and the SFI forecast is 74, and EI index ranges from 5 to 16. We have been receiving shortwave radio logs from our listeners every week, for which we would like to thank them for sending it to DX's Diary. Let's look at some of the shortwave radio logs sent by our listeners this week. Mr. V.S. Segar, a listener of several shortwave radio stations across the world, in his logs has noted the Radio Taiwan International's English program at 0300 hours UTC in 15320 kHz with a SINPO of 4444. RTM Y Malaysian in 11665 kHz at 310 hours UTC with SINPO of 44344. Voice of Greece Greek program in 9420 kHz at 227 hours UTC with SINPO of 43333. Mr. Devarajan S., another long-time DXer and an amateur radio operator, in his logs sent to DX's Diary, has mentioned that he has heard Radio Maldives in 1449 kHz at 1740 hours UTC with a SINPO of 555. Radio Sultanate of Oman in 1242 kHz at 1803 hours UTC with a SINPO of 555. IRIB's Bengali service in 9870 kHz at 1444 hours UTC with a SINPO of 444. SBA Riyadh in 1440 kHz at 1715 hours UTC with a SINPO of 4444. Every week we have been broadcasting news from various radio stations across the world which will be useful for DXs and shortwave listeners. And this week too, we have some interesting news from the world of radio. Voice of America marks its 79th anniversary this month. Voice of America made its debut in 1942 in an unpretentious way with a live 15-minute shortwave radio broadcast transmitted into Germany from a small studio in New York City. Now the US-funded but independent VOA reaches more than 280 million people across the globe each week in more than 40 languages. Its stories, covering the range of human existence in the United States and countries throughout the world, appear on digital, television, and radio platforms and can be easily accessed on mobile phones and social media. VOA stories are carried on a network of more than 2,500 affiliate stations. In the first broadcast in 1942, a little more than 7 weeks after the United States officially entered World War II, listeners first heard an American patriotic song, the Battle Hymn of the Republic. Then announcer William Harlan Hale said, "We bring you Voices of America. Today and daily from now, we shall speak to you about America and the war. The news may be good for us, the news may be bad, but we shall tell you the truth." As listeners know, VOA has been part of the US Agency for Global Media, the government agency that oversees all non-military US international broadcasting. Mr. Jose Jacob, a veteran in DXing, has reported that All India Radio Maitri has come up with a new schedule for its Bengali service to Bangladesh from February 1. According to Mr. Jose, All India Radio will broadcast its program in 594 kHz from 0025 hours UTC to 09 hours UTC, 10 hours UTC to 1830 hours UTC on the same frequency. Listeners can send their reception reports to spectrum-manager@prasarbharati.gov.in. I repeat, it's spectrum-manager@prasarbharati.gov.in. We are at the end of the program now. Listeners can send their logs, band scans, reception report, views and opinion about the program to dxsdiary@gmail.com. I repeat, it's dxersdiary@gmail.com. We urge all listeners to keep emailing us their reception reports and do tune to our program regularly. Until next week, this is Arun Kumar Nasiman signing off. 73. Bye-bye.